This trip was out of curiosity more than anything. I saw a fellow railfan post a picture from the Norfolk Southern mainline in the Richwood area. It looked like Norfolk Southern was adding a second main line, so I wanted to check it out. It was early on a very foggy, overcast Saturday. This is near the Richwood Road and Dixie Highway intersection. The railroad is temporarily moving the tracks while an overpass is built for a new road as part of the construction. The NS main line is always busy, and here comes a northbound.
Cincinnati dispatcher answering over. Answer T06 over. Cincinnati dispatcher T06, what's your lead unit over? S9702 over. Okay, T06 unable to get you a good signal there off the pig yard. T06 with the NS9702. Flying for your move from the pig yard to the pig yard lead. Your permission by the stop in a south direction, looking out for train ahead, over. As you are coming off the pig yard, correct, over? Yeah, that would be correct, thank you. That's right.
Norfolk Southern, milepost 14.2, no defects. Norfolk Southern, milepost 14.2, no defects.
I like railfanning Norfolk Southern because you can still monitor using ATCS, so I knew another train was on its way. I was able to be ready and waiting for this southbound train.
Being clear 15.1. Clear 17.5. Milepost 20.1.
I saw a few more trains on the ATCS page, so I decided to head up to Erlanger and get set up. It wasn't long before another train came through.
Unfortunately, I know. Get you over here when I can there, Monahan.
5 clear, 4 beyond 2.
U-16, approach, Corby, 1.
5 was good.
Y'all still looking.
Sounds like we'll need it. Hello, Donna. You go pick up this hump job here at the south end, taking the north end of 16 to watch the show.
216 got the highball, buddy.
What did you say there, Donna? I didn't know you picked them up.
There was a northbound having some sort of issue and was told to tie down just shy of the Main Street crossing. That forced several trains to make diverging moves, including this one.
Alright, you have an extra car at line 1. It's an ATCS 706276. Over. 706276, loaded non-hazardous. Over. Can I get you in for my paperwork, please? Thank you, sir. Y'all have a safe trip. I'll let that out.
You can ask Cincinnati dispatcher answering every.
188 Cincinnati, over.
You can ask Cincinnati dispatcher answering 188 over.
Copy, just for informational purposes, we have 90 minutes left to work.
50 minutes left to work. I got that. Thank you. Over. And ask Cincinnati dispatcher to the 188 over.
188.
Are we stopped there at Erlanger over?
We're stopped at Main Street.
Okay, I'm going to take the signal back, and they want me to tell you to tie the train down at Main Street. That the train master's going to come get you where you're at. Over.
Okay.
And ask Cincinnati dispatcher answering over. Cincinnati dispatcher answering 216 over. Come on, look and
West Valley, Liberty Street, Park 7 there, Jake.
Like that.
Appreciate that. Still looking at you.
Dion 375. Jason, you got 2 of them running? Alright, buddy. I'll get you a signal.
Just a short time later, a southbound crested the hill and continued on. In the number 2 spot, you can see the NS DC to AC number 4003. That's an AC 44C6M.
29 approach diverging Erlanger 2 track.
Let's listen in as the engineer of that stop train talks with the crew of 229.
How long are you, 229? 229 look good.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, you're very welcome. How long is that thing?
Almost ready.
Holy moly. You guys have a safe trip.
Oh, yeah. Work on 72 there, Steve. Yeah, I told him to go around and get you. He's on his way.
376, over. RSS 356, 376, over. 376, can you have a change in time to this out of Georgetown, over?
Erlanger's home to the last wooden depot on the line between Cincinnati and Chattanooga. The Erlanger Historical Society says Norfolk Southern decided to demolish all its wooden depots in favor of trailers and prefabricated buildings. The Historical Society had just been formed and with a little help was able to save the structure that was built in 1877. The depot was donated by the railroad, but on the condition that it had to be moved at least 100 feet away from the tracks and that there be a fence built. It's now a museum and home for the Erlanger Historical Society. The museum is filled with memorabilia and artifacts from the people, places, and events related to the heritage and development of the city of Erlanger. There's also this 1943 caboose behind the depot for you to check out.
Peter, utility clerk Donna. After you drop that crew off, you can bring T90 back over here, and can you go to the hotel and pick up 188?
Well, that does it for this quick little trip. As always, I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment and let me know where else I should go to check out. I'm always looking for suggestions. I'll leave you with a little more video of the track changes in Richwood, but for now, I hope you have a great day.